I'm gonna put in, I'm actually gonna do 2 videos. I got JDM. Those are the LED, white LED backup lights. And then I got these Oxalan. These are the red rear turn signals. But I'm gonna do 2 different videos, but these are that's what I'm working on. Bolts. That's the bolt. I would say that's a 10mm or a Phillips. There's the hole. There's the hole. So this should come out fairly easy. Oops. It's alright, it's plastic. And it's under warranty, so I don't care. Let's see. I think this is the one I'm after right here. This one right here. That should be the LED reverse lights. So let me set this down. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got one bulb out. I think this was a 921. But anyways, I get the LEDs out, plug them in, and see what's good. That was unpackaged. So those are white LED. And they're going in that socket right there. Polarity specific, I don't know. I wouldn't think so, but plug one in and find out, I guess. Okay. Let me set it down, I'll be right back. Alright, so there's the bulb installs. 6,000K. So it should have a nice white, maybe with a touch of blue, but super white. And that's what I'm after. The higher, well, not the higher the number, but you always want to stay between 5,000 and 6,000K. That gives you your brightest, whitest light. 6,000 being a little bit more on the blue side. 5,000 being a little bit more on the white side. Alright, let me grab the keys and I turn it on and see what happens. I got the truck running. I got it in reverse. Got the parking brake on. You can see the lights lit up. A nice bright white light. Okay, so here's the finished product. LED light blinking, and the backup light is on and nice and bright. Looks good. There they are. Super bright. Side. Backup lights. I'm gonna do another video at nighttime. It's too hard. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's too bright out.